Hi guys and girls, I'm Nick from Jordanbikes and I'm here to show you this fantastic MT09. Looks cracking in this grey and fluorescent yellow. It's a 2016 16 plate and it's done just 6,188 miles. A couple of extras over the standard. This screen there, keep the bugs off you, and a carbon pyramid wheel thing. What would you call that, Mr. Cameraman?
I think they're called hugger extenders.
Hugger extender, keep the dirt off your back, keep the back of the bike clean. Beautiful clean bike anyway, really nice condition. You'll be able to see that from the footage there. From the factory, these comes with ABS, adjustable traction control and adjustable power modes as well. You've got a gear indicator there, 3-cylinder engine, loads of torque on these, dead easy to ride and loads of fun. I'll give it a start up. Beautiful clean condition. It's going to go through our workshop as well. We don't think it'll last long, so if you do fancy it, get on the phone, give us a ring. Thank you. Cheers. Hi guys, I'm Nick. Thank you for watching the video until this far in. The bike you've just been looking at will go through our workshop with a fine tooth comb. We are very fussy and we put 3 months warranty on it. If you want to extend that, you can. You can either have 1 year or 2 years. We've filmed it in high definition, but if you do want any extra photos or footage, just give us a call, we can send that to you. We offer finance as well, finance on all bikes and PCP on bikes up to 5 years old. Again, if you want a quote, just give us a call or pop in, and as always, finance is subject to status. So if you fancy the bike, give us a ring, you know where we are. Thank you for watching, cheers.